Favela, favela, vinha aqui na favela pra sentar no grau, pra sentar no grau, pra sentar no grau, vinha aqui na favela.
Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Brad from Techbuds-Solutions and talking OTCs. If you don't know who I am, if this is your first time watching this video, welcome. But basically what we do in here is we talk everything OTCs, and what OTCs are is they're stocks that aren't traded on the three major markets. And so coming to you today because a lot of people are asking me, why I don't trade weed stocks or cryptocurrency, and there's a couple of reasons for each one, and so I just wanted to go over those tonight real quick, and maybe this will give you a better understanding as to why I don't trade them. And obviously you can trade them if you want. This is just my opinion. This is why I don't do it. I just got a lot of questions about it, and I thought this would be the easiest way to just kind of give you guys a broad answer when it comes to that. So let's go into weed stocks, right? Marijuana stocks, I don't particularly like to go into marijuana stocks, and here's why. There is a ton of them, right? There's so many weed companies out there because everybody's like, oh, this is like the next thing, and let's get into this industry because it's going to be huge, right? And so a lot of people are getting into it, and there's nothing wrong with that, okay? I'm sure that you'll be able to find one that that goes up. You'll be able to make a bunch of money on it, but trying to find something like that is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. The reason is because there's so many of them, and it's hard to be able to figure out which one's actually going to go, right? And there's also all these other major pharmaceutical companies that will most likely buy them up, and so it's difficult to find one that's actually going to make it. Now, I'm not saying that you won't find success in trading weed stocks, okay? But it's just something that I personally feel that is just way too difficult, and it takes up way too much of my time, and there's way better stocks out there that I know has potential to run while I just sit around and wait for whatever next weed stock is going to come up. So that's why I don't trade marijuana stocks. It's just my own opinion. It's just something that I'm not comfortable with. One thing that I always try to stress to all of you is that if it's something that you're not comfortable trading, don't trade it. Whether or not you think you can make a bunch of money off of it, if it's something that you're not comfortable doing, then don't do it. The next thing is cryptocurrency, right? So I don't like to trade cryptocurrency because it's not the dollar. It's not tangible enough. It's just something that's way more unpredictable than OTCs, if you can believe that. It's just, the dollar's tangible, the dollar isn't going anywhere, nobody's fighting to get rid of the dollar, and that's not the case with cryptocurrency. Sure, you got a bunch of people out there that are gunning for cryptocurrency. It's something that, a lot of people are starting to get behind, but the government hates it. The government's really trying to shut it down. The guy who even invented cryptocurrency in the first place went to jail for a long time for it. It's just something that I just, until it becomes more tangible, I just would rather stay away from it. Honestly, I don't understand it fully, but from what I've heard and what I've seen so far when it comes to cryptocurrency, it's just something that I feel like I should probably just stay away from. Now, obviously, there's a lot of you out there that trade it. We have a chat group specifically dedicated to cryptocurrency, but it's just my opinion. It's just something that I'm not, comfortable with trading. And again, if you're not comfortable with trading it, don't trade it. If it's something that you don't understand, don't trade it until you fully understand it, right? That's the thing. That's like rule number one that we try to always convey to all of our members within Techbuds-Solutions, is that if you don't understand it, don't trade it. And if it's something that you're not comfortable with, or you don't feel uneasy with, or you feel uneasy about, don't force it. Don't force a trade. Don't chase something that you don't know, and you'll be in good shape there. I hope that this kind of cleared up the confusion when it comes to my understanding and my trading strategy when it comes to those particular industries. You don't have to like it. You don't have to agree with what I say or whatever, but it's just my trading style. You know, you guys asked me, and so I'm just kind of answering to the best of my ability. And, you know, if it's something that you want to get into, if it's something that you certainly see value in, of course, you know, trade away. It's, you know, you're probably better than me if you understand it. But for me, I'm successful enough in the areas that I understand, and that's what works for me, and so that's what I tend to just follow. You know, it doesn't mean that you have to do everything that I do, and that's the beautiful thing about Techbuds-Solutions. So anyway, it's just a short video, guys, tonight. I just wanted to talk to you about that. You know, why I choose not to just mess with those. Some of the guys that and gals that have traded those weed stocks within you know, the OTC market have found that it's very, very difficult to try and you know, manage a stock once you get into something like that. So, you know, if there's somebody out there who really understands them and has really already found success trading those types of areas, you know, hit me up. Send me a direct message through Discord, or send me a comment on this video, and I'd be all ears and open to listening to you about it. But it's just something that I'm just not comfortable trading. So with that, if you're new to Techbuds-Solutions or you're new to this channel, we do have a chat group within our channel here, within our platform, and we have a Facebook group. I will put the links to the Facebook group and our Discord chat in the description below, and you'll be able to join us for absolutely free. We don't charge you anything for this service, you know, for you know, helping you understand trading, because we know what it's like. You know, we've all been there, and I wish that I would have had somebody, or, you know, or this platform when I first started. So I appreciate you guys watching tonight. If you learned something today, please like and subscribe to my video. That's all I got for you guys tonight, and B Smith is out.